When it comes to keeping your construction or renovation project clean and efficient, look no further than Be Done Rentals. We are your trusted partner for dumpster rental in San Antonio, Texas. No one likes a cluttered job site. It's not only a safety hazard but also a productivity killer. With Be Done Rentals, you get the perfect solution to keep your site organized and clean. Our success is built on the satisfaction of our customers. We've helped countless businesses and individuals with their waste management needs. We know you're budget conscious too. At Be Done Rentals, we offer competitive pricing without sacrificing quality and service. We understand that not all projects are the same. That's why we offer a variety of dumpster sizes to match your specific needs. Renting a dumpster with Be Done Rentals is as easy as 1, 2, 3. We deliver the dumpster right to your location, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Visit our website at www.bedumpsters.com, select the right dumpster size, choose your rental period, and you're done. You can also reach us at 210-834-1716 for any questions. Let Be Done Rentals be the key to unlocking a cleaner, simpler tomorrow. Together, we'll make your waste disappear and your worries, well, a dumpster rental in the past.